Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be another video in my YouTube 101 series where I give tips and advice to new YouTubers and people interested in making YouTube videos. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 100 plus sound effects that you can use for your YouTube videos. I've shared so many different things with you, general advice, background music, how I edit, both for your phone and your computer, but something that I have not done yet is some sound effects. This is kind of a combination of popular sound effects YouTubers use and just general sound effects. So I have 100 plus sound effects for you. They are all listed in the description box. So if you are looking for something specific, make sure to check down there. They're all alphabetized and they are in categories. And there is a separate section of this video dedicated to popular sounds that YouTubers use. I think I've covered everything I want to say, so let's get into the sound effects.
Hello, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Bruh.
So those are all of my 100 plus sound effects. Hopefully you found some sound effects that you'll want to use or sound effects that you've been looking for. If you're new to my channel, I highly recommend checking out the rest of my videos in my YouTube 101 series. People have said that it's been extremely helpful. I have so many videos in this series like all of these right here, so make sure to check those out. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and that way other people can have an easier time finding this video and coming across it so we can help out more people. Make sure to share this with anyone if you think that they will find this helpful. My social media links are in the description box, as they always are. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and click the notifications button, and that way you'll get notifications when I post new videos. And I do post a lot of YouTube 101 videos on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on those. That's all I have to say, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.